Fabulous French house interior design. Home tour. Looking for a blue French country ideas? Browse blue French country images for decor, layout, furniture, and storage inspiration. Even from the first sight, you have the feeling that you are surrounded by art and all it stands for, beginning with the details regarding the architecture, the paintings on the walls, and the ornaments. Living room. Achieve refined French interior design effortlessly. Characteristic French style needs attention to elegant details. Dining room. Look for much loved materials, antique, vintage, distressed, and/or modern are all styles to consider when recreating this look in your own space. Kitchen. Think lots of white, pale neutrals, and pops of color. The most used touches of color are blue and gold. Bathroom. Splurge on a vintage tub and sink to mimic the French-inspired look at home. Main bedroom. Go like the French and add a dresser, creating the opportunity to choose an unique piece to add character to your bedroom. Outdoor. French country-inspired decor is all about making outdoor spaces focus on leisure. You can get the look by combining rugs, puffs, anything that inspires you to sit back and linger a while.